Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your October 2025 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It includes 2 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to get a small sampling of new products each and every month. We also have the Flavors a Month, which gives you 4 new collections if you want to get a little bit more. I'll have the videos at the end for those. Along with your kits, you'll have access to 2 free recipe files. So these are double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll get a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with our talented design team. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed exclusively for our subscribers by Cut to You, and this month is this pumpkin pear cut file. It has the title Thankful and then the 2 pumpkins with the florals. It's simply gorgeous, perfect for this collection here from Cartabella. So this month our 2 collections are Cartabella Americana and Simple Stories Fun Times. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. Starting with Cartabella Americana is this gorgeous autumn collection. You're going to start with a sheet of peach cardstock and 2 sheets of burnt red cardstock. Your pattern paper is this beautiful bouquet of fall flowers, and the back is a yellow gold toned striped print. Kind of looks like a beadboard to me. This paper is called Fall Flower Bunches. Then we have the 3x4 cut apart sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. You can use them as 3x4s. You can also fussy cut images. You know, I love these for getting ideas for titles and subtitles and kind of ideas of what I want to scrapbook. The back is this beautiful wood grain. And then we have this pumpkin paper. The back is a 2-toned green. This paper is called My Pumpkin Picks. You can see all the beautiful colors in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. We have a scalloped border of the floral print and then a green wood grain. It's just a rectangular border. We have this little banner up here, super cute. Some of the icons, you're going to find that farm truck, pumpkins, of course, the barns, and I love how they've mixed the Americana stars and quilts into this collection. Super cute, along with those fall florals. So that is Americana from Cartabella. Our next collection is Fun Times from Simple Stories. So this kind of is all about circus, the fair. This would even be great for some Disney type photos. There's several rides that I think of in areas within the Disney parks. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of yellow cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one called Best Day, and it has all of the balloons in the different colors. You have a bold, big, wide stripe of all the colors. This paper is What a Blast. We have that sunburst. Same thing with all of the different colors. And then we have a burst, kind of like a firework burst on that kind of lime green. This paper is called This Way. So we have all of the arrows. And the back is a polka dot on orange. As you can see, it's just a lot of fun papers. Fun, vibrant colors and icons. So your embellishments for this are going to vary among the kits, but it's going to be a mixture of the icon bits. You're going to get a mixture of the journal bits and some of the foam stickers. So you get a little bit of all the different embellishments there. So that is Fun Times from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. I'll have the Flavors of the Month here if you're looking for more collections. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog where we have lots of challenges, lots of inspiration. It's just a really fun place to hang out and share your work. So we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.